The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Perdido Bay area, until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 11:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Arnica Bay to 15 nautical miles southeast of Farewell Buoy, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Gulf Shores Beach, Lillian Bridge, Big Lagoon and Wolf Bay. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay area and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles.